Hello everyone, welcome back to Look of a Kind. I wanted to show you a cheap and easy way to make labels for your containers. So here is a quick video. All you need is an index card with a blank side. You can find these with lines on one side or without lines on both sides. You also need a marker of your choice. Next, on the blank side of the card, write whatever you want the label to state. Then I take it a step further and put a border around it. You don't have to do this. This is just something extra that I like to do to make it not look plain. And there you have it, a cheap and easy label for your container. I hope this helps with your organizing.